Okay, let's start it. So this is the box which I got, and I'm just gonna open it. Let's see. Well guys, you can see this is a US variant, so it does have a socket of US type. So as I'm in Australia, so I have to use one of our different extension to charge this up. And just give me a second, I will charge this laptop and we'll move on. Okay. So this is the laptop we got from me. Pretty tight pack. The packaging was really good as it came from US, so I was not expecting the service would be too fast. How about it? It just came in 1.5 week, I would say. Yeah, and it's a 14-inch laptop, so that's very compact as well. By the way, feels a bit heavy. I'm not sure why. Maybe what we got. These are the few instructions. Set of guide, and that's the main laptop. But which is the first impression? My God, I can't say, but the build quality is so good. I can just feel it. I mean, I don't know. You guys can see it. It's totally metallic. Feels like metallic, but it's not metal. Some sort of. This is from down. So we got 2 USB ports, 1 micro SD. What's that? I'm not sure what's that. 1 USB Type C, and HDMI. 1 HDMI. I was hoping for 2 HDMI ports, but okay, fine. Headphone jack, and yeah, this is. Okay guys, so I just plugged in the power socket, and it's just gonna do the first boot up. Let's see. Scan something. Lenovo. Overall, I'm happy with the build quality, but I was expecting if it could have been more glossy or maybe a little bit more metallic over here, so it could have felt more premium. Well, from outside it does looks like a very expensive laptop, but yeah.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Okay.
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Well, I'm in Australia. Where is Australia? Australia. It should be at the top. Does it matter? I don't know. Maybe the timing or everything. Yep. All done.
Your keyboard is set to US.
No, that should be US. Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No. Skip.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
Yeah, that's
that way you can get updates. Now type your credentials.
Let me have a look at my phone. What's the password for that? Wi-Fi. Yeah. It's 2746. 2746. 270. Next.
Mission accomplished. You're all linked up. Now we have some important setup to do.
Please, just quiet. Well, it's a touch laptop, and I'm hoping it doesn't come with a pen in US variant, but in India it does.
Now let's see what's new from Windows.
Okay guys, let me just set up this